Day 13, wash cars. This is the before. This is the after. This is the before. This is the after of this one. There's a lot of scratches on it. And a hole, I didn't see that one.